The Battle of Fort Fisher, a pivotal conflict in the final months of the American Civil War, erupted in January 1865. This stronghold, guarding the last major Confederate port at Wilmington, North Carolina, was vital for the South's survival, enabling blockade runners to supply General Robert E. Lee's army. Union forces, led by Major General Alfred Terry, launched an amphibious assault, combining infantry and naval firepower from Admiral David Porter's squadron, featuring the novel use of a land-sea coordinated operation. In contrast, Confederate Major General William H. Whiting and Colonel William Lamb commanded approximately 1,500 men, ill-matched against the Union's some 8,000 soldiers and over 50 warships. Despite initial resistance, the Union's superior numbers and firepower, including new rifled artillery, overwhelmed the defenders. After a prolonged siege and relentless bombardment, the fort fell on January 15. The Union's tactics, marked by deliberate preparation and combined arms warfare, proved decisive and sealed the port, cutting off vital supplies to the Confederacy. The victory at Fort Fisher marked a turning point, foreshadowing the inevitable defeat of the Confederate States. In the aftermath of the Union's triumph at Fort Fisher, the strategic implications were profound. The loss of Wilmington, the last Confederate seaport on the Atlantic coast, capable of receiving blockade runners, directly impaired the sustainability of Confederate forces. This success enabled Federal forces to launch operations that secured the entire Lower Cape Fear River, cementing the blockade's effectiveness. Moreover, the victory served to boost Northern morale and hastened the collapse of the Confederate war effort. With Fort Fisher's defeat acting as a catalyst, General Lee's Army of Northern Virginia became increasingly isolated, precipitating the surrender at Appomattox Courthouse mere months later, effectively ending the Civil War. The fort's fall underscored the Union's growing dominance in combined arms warfare and highlighted flawed Confederate leadership. Under the immense pressure of Union assault,